Welcome to the 2024 KWI National Senior Welding Competition, where the best of the best from around the nation spend one day here competing for scholarships and prizes. Let's walk around and see what's going on. It's a full day here at KWI. We're gonna have a crane set up for you guys to practice your hand at crane operation. We're also gonna have axe throwing for you axe throwers out there. And also here at KWI, we know you guys are gonna get hungry while you're here, so we're gonna have catered food for your friends and family. So it's gonna be a full day of welding, it's gonna be a full day of fun, and a full day of learning. Here at our National Senior Welding Competition, under this tent is our partners and contractors booths. So we have different groups of individuals here from Craft Force, Starcon, Systems Group, Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio Pipe Trades. We got the different UA groups here. We got HTP Welders. So different companies and contractors can come to our National Senior Welding Competition, showcase their products and showcase what they do for the welding industry, as well as looking for potential welders to come work with them in the future after graduating KWI. Behind me here is where the magic happens. You get 90 minutes to prep, fit, and weld your coupon. And then after that, our judges go off of the code book to see whether it passes or fails. And then the top 10 guys, we clean their straps and bend them. The top welders will be determined by the bend test. And then if it comes down to a tie on the bend test, we go off how fast you welded it. Just like the jobs in the industry, your welds here at the Kentucky Welding Institute will be tested just like the industry to code and will be tested via x-ray, phase array, or bend test. While you're waiting to compete, we have several stations where you can weld with experts from all around the country that can teach you downhill, uphill TIG, uphill stick, MIG, flux core, doesn't matter what it is. We have Miller and Lincoln booths as well as HTP booths where you can learn how to weld from the best in the industry. Also at our National Senior Competition, we're gonna have a bucking bull. So for your rodeos across the nation, stop in at KWI and try your hand at this mechanical bull. Every year at our National Senior Welding Competition, we give away tons of prizes and scholarships. Behind me here are just a few of some of the prizes and scholarships that we will be giving away this year at our Senior Welding Competition. Right here, we have the Lincoln welding machine, which is going to first or second, and then the Miller Bobcat, which is going to first or second. And the list goes on. So we prize the top 10 contestants.
Again, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that like button as well. And if you want to stay up to date on our notifications, go ahead and click the bell button because we upload videos every week that are very helpful for welders in the welding industries.